morning, everybody. Got pig food ready and heading to go do the goats right now. Ooh, it's a rainy, wet day. So I'm glad that I was able to get a lot done this weekend. Just some outside things done because it wasn't too bad. Hello, Duke. How's it going? Here, let me put it in your food dish, okay? There you go. Good boy. How's it going, my good boy? Oh, hello, ladies. Hey, chickie girls. I'm gonna feed y'all. Let's go back out. Let's see what we have for them. Sunflower seeds, chicken food, chicken food for them, and a little sunflower seed treat. Let's see. More little sunflower seeds for my goat girls. Repo doesn't try to eat them. He eats everything. All right, here we go. Down here to feed them and check ligaments, check on them. Since Maple's sister already had babies, now I'm like, is it any day now? What's going on, ladies? Hi. Still no babies, that's good. Kind of a yucky day, huh? James got the gate done. I'm so happy with it. Pretty excited about that. Hey, ladies. I'm finding a silver bucket, so can we back your heads out? I need to take this bucket back up to the house. Is it good? Is it good? Yes, it's delicious. It's our favorite. Okay, back up. Oops. Maybe while your head's in there, I can check your ligaments. Okay, yeah, she's definitely losing her ligaments a little bit more every day. So it won't be long for Willow. Maple, though. No, they're still pretty tight. So she's definitely got a little bit longer, I think. Even though, honestly, I thought it was going to be the other way around. But it's all in their time, so it'll just happen when it happens, I guess. Repo, what are you doing? You just hanging out? I'm just hanging out, just watching. If you see a coyote, please bark at it, okay? Just don't have a repeat of the other day. So strange, so strange. All right, there's y'all's food. Enjoy, everyone. I've got a heat lamp that I bought from Premier One, and I'm going to get that hung up in the corner over here, right over in this area. So make sure it's far enough away from the walls and everything. It's supposed to be one of the safe heat lamps, safer. It's got a different type of enclosure around the bulb. So I'm going to put a hook in the ceiling and hang it. So hopefully it will be really safe, because I have heard lots of horror stories of goat barns catching on fire from heat lamps. And when that happens, you lose everybody. So, all right. You guys enjoy your chaffee this morning, and I'll be back in a little while to check on everybody. Repo, I don't need your help. Alright, now we need to go feed bunnies and pigs and get back inside to do schoolwork. Today is tutoring for Eleanor, so we have to get everything ready for that. Also, it's grocery day, so we need to get to the grocery store and get a few essentials. We try to eat out of our freezer as much as possible. Stuff from last year's garden, but this is the time of year where things start running, we start running a little low on things. Hey bunnies, let's do you guys first. Hi, good morning. Good morning, bunnies. I wish Birdie would stop barking because it's so annoying. Hi. Hello, sweeties. Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Sweet bunnies, sweet bunnies. Okay, everybody needs some food. It looks like we're good on water. What? That never happens. Never happens with you guys. All right. Some pellets. I can't wait until we get you guys on grass. And then we don't have to worry about all the pellet food. All right, here we go. So, update on quail eggs. I emailed the lady at Alchemist Farm, and apparently I was wrong. The eggs should be viable up to 2 weeks, and that as soon as they get here, I should put them in the incubator. And I tracked the package, and yes, they are delayed, but they're in Greensboro right now, which isn't too far away from us. Hey, would you please stop? You're being very rude. Birdie, you're just being very, very rude. The chickie girls do not appreciate you barking constantly. I really don't either. I'm sure the neighbors don't. Hush, hush, that's enough. Thank you. She just wants to be with me, and she doesn't like it when I walk away from her. I think she's got some anxiety issues. She was a rescue. She's very sweet. She's just really loud. Good morning, piggies. Good morning, piggies. I've got your food. Yummy, yummy food. Oh, hey. Howdy. Did y'all have a good night? Y'all made quite a mud mess already in a very short amount of time. All right, let me turn this fence off. We don't want to get shocked. What do y'all do with your bowls? They just like wind up all over the place. All right, don't bite me. Everybody sticks their head in the bucket, and then I can't feed you guys. You're so silly. All right, and I give my cheeky girls the leftover pig food as we walk up the hill, and that's it. We'll head on back inside. Everybody's done for now. Oh, it's drizzling. I'm sure my camera doesn't appreciate the rain. All right. Okay, look. I've got some leftovers. It's always hard to do this with one hand. Come on. There you go. All right, babies. Miss Goldie, Carol Baskin. You know, to be honest with you, this sweet little one right here with the pants, I call it. That one doesn't have a name. I'm not really sure exactly what she is. She came in the Bantam box at Tractor Supply last year. She's very sweet. I just have no idea what she is. So I've got my Lavender Orpington, which are my favorites. They're just the sweetest chickens. I'm actually looking for a rooster for them right now. I know I just got 21 baby chicks, but would like to breed the lavender Orpingtons just because they're just such a fun breed. They're just very, very gentle and extremely friendly. And I love my girls. Hi, hello, what's up? Okay, let's get it back inside because it is cold and wet today. I had no idea it was gonna rain today. Had no clue. All right, up the steps. Let's get inside and see what the girls are doing. Of course, if it's raining, they want no part in this at all. They're so funny. All right. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Hi, sweetie pie. How are y'all doing?
Good.
Good. Are you ready for some schoolwork?
No.
Figured you would say that.
No.
No, you mean yes. Because
No.
school is so much fun. It's fun to learn, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like doing school at home?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I like doing
Are you excited about tutoring today?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, let's get it together and let's get our schoolwork going, okay?
Yummy.
You're so silly.
Did these just come out of the pan? You're not gonna eat it?